Guys, if you trade stocks or even thinking about trading stocks, you got to check out the #1 stock screener, DDAmanda. Find winning stocks and make money. Hey, if you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, like, and subscribe if you want. We got a lot of good stuff coming. Desert Hot Springs is crazy. They're lunatics. There's thousands of people live up on that hill. But they decided in their infinite wisdom to take a four-lane road and turn it into 2 lanes. Because what they did is, number one, this is way too wide. And number two, they decided to make a bike lane. They took a whole lane and made a bike lane out of it. And on the other side, they did the same thing. Took a whole lane and made a bike lane out of it. I think they're going to plant trees and shit here or whatever. But look at this shit. You know, the thousands of people that live up there every morning and every night, there's a huge traffic jam here. Because they cut the fucking capacity in half. Fucking idiots, huh? Look at this. Insane. And I think I've seen maybe 1 or 2 guys riding bicycles. There's nobody going to use this. Maybe they're going to have a bicycle marathon or something. But even now, look at that. Middle of the day, you got all these cars that have to use 1 lane instead of 2. Everybody that tries DDAmanda absolutely loves her. These are all unsolicited, by the way. We didn't even ask people. I love you guys. Yeah, I love the program. So worth it. Probably made 500K. This guy's up 30K. Having everything I need to research on one page is definite time saver. Single day, 1525 profit. 15K on my first DD. Look at this guy. I don't know what to think about this one, man. This guy says he made 30 million. Read this shit. I don't know. He sounds kind of legit. I fucking love DDAmanda. Your program is the best tool I've ever used in the last 21 years. It just goes on and on. Okay, if you trade stocks, or if you're even thinking about trading stocks, this is for you guys. This is what you need. This is DDAmanda. It's the #1 stock screener and scanner that's out there. And it uses both user input and AI to find and research winning stocks. And this is, it says right here, easy enough to use by total beginners. There's really no learning curve at all. You can be finding stocks within about 5 minutes after you log in. And it also has a lot of advanced features that are used by professional traders. Our mission is to help you make money by investing in stocks. That's the bottom line. That's what you want from something like this, Now, I use this all the time, and I've found some amazing runners. You've got here, look at this. They give you 1 hour of free one-on-one training and instant support. Having good support on a program is just so critical, I mean, here's their phone number right here. You can just call and text. They've got some testimonials here. I want to show you these. Because they're pretty amazing. I mean, look at this. This is what people think of her. I love you guys. Yeah, I love the program. This guy made 500K. This guy's up 30K. Everything I need to research. I wasn't even in Amanda one week, and he made 10,000 bucks. So these testimonials, it just goes on and on here. So anyway, they've got if you want to try, look at all these features. Dollars traded, 7 MA crossovers, all sorts of stuff. But they've got an $8 a day trial subscription, so you can check her out and see if you like her. And some other subscription levels here. Anyway, I highly recommend this, guys, and do check it out and make some money.